Ramadan is not only the ninth month of the Islamic lunar calendar, it is a period of profound spiritual reflection, self-discipline, and community unity. Observed by more than 2 billion Muslims worldwide, Ramadan brings together fasting, prayer, charity, and communal celebration to renew faith and cultivate compassion. In this article, we delve into the origins, practices, and contemporary significance of Ramadan. On the origins and historical background, the revelation and the birth of a tradition. According to Islamic tradition, Ramadan holds its sacred status as the month in which the Quran, the holy book of Islam, was first revealed to the Prophet Muhammad by the angel Gabriel. This seminal event, known as Laylat al-Qadr, or the Night of Power, is believed to have occurred during one of the odd nights in the last 10 days of Ramadan. The Quran itself states that this night is better than 1,000 months, Quran 97:3, underscoring the immense spiritual reward for believers who seek it during the month. Historically, fasting was not an innovation unique to Islam. Pre-Islamic Arab tribes and other ancient civilizations engaged in fasting as a means of purification and spiritual discipline. However, the formal institution of fasting during Ramadan was established after the Prophet's migration, Hijra, from Mecca to Medina in 622 CE. During the second year after this migration, the command to fast during Ramadan was revealed, as found in Quran 2:183-185, setting the foundation for what would become one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Development through the centuries. Over time, Islamic jurists and scholars refined the practices and rules surrounding Ramadan. The sighting of the crescent moon, Hilal, marks both the beginning and the end of Ramadan, a method that ties the observance closely to the lunar calendar. Although modern astronomy can predict these dates, many Muslim communities still prefer the traditional method of moon sighting to preserve the ritual's authenticity. In regions where the natural cycle of day and night is disrupted, such as in polar areas, authorities often recommend following the timings of Mecca or the nearest city with distinguishable dawn and dusk.